Have you ever wondered why we think and feel the way we do? This question has fascinated humans for centuries and is at the heart of our exploration today. The human brain, a 3-pound mass of grey matter, is an enigma that we are only beginning to unravel. It is here, in this intricate network of neurons, that our thoughts and emotions originate. Thoughts and emotions may seem like abstract, intangible phenomena, but they are, in fact, complex processes that occur within our brains. They can be mystifying, overwhelming, even baffling at times. Yet despite their complexity, they can be broken down into simpler components. These components can be understood, studied, and explained. And that's what we're here to do today. We're going to delve into the science behind it all, to peel back the layers of mystery that shroud our thoughts and emotions. So, let's embark on this fascinating journey to understand the science behind human thoughts and emotions. What are thoughts and where do they come from? A question that has intrigued humanity for centuries. Well, thoughts are cognitive processes that take place within the intricate network of our brain. They are the product of millions of neurons communicating with each other through electrical and chemical signals. Imagine a vast, bustling city with countless interactions happening at any given moment. That's your brain, and the citizens are neurons, each one a tiny powerhouse of activity. These neurons communicate with each other using chemical messengers called neurotransmitters. When neurons talk, thoughts are born. Now, these thoughts can either be conscious or subconscious. Conscious thoughts are those we are actively aware of. For instance, when you decide to make a cup of tea, that's a conscious thought. Subconscious thoughts, on the other hand, are the ones running in the background. They are like the behind-the-scenes crew in a theatre production, quietly influencing your actions and emotions without you even realizing it. What's fascinating is that our thoughts are constantly shaping our reality. Each thought we have can influence our perspective, our decisions, our actions, and even our physical health. They can make us fall in love, inspire us to create, push us to achieve, or even lead us into despair. Therefore, thoughts, though intangible, play a crucial role in our daily lives. They may seem elusive, but understanding their science can give us valuable insights into the human mind and its extraordinary capabilities. Moving on to emotions, what are they and how are they formed? Well, emotions are intricate responses to stimuli that involve an entwined dance of physiological and psychological processes. They are not just mere feelings, but powerful reactions that can drive us, shape our interactions, and even influence our decision-making. Let's consider a part of our brain called the amygdala. This almond-shaped structure is like the maestro of our emotional orchestra, conducting every note of our emotional responses. When we encounter an emotional stimulus, such as a growling dog or a heartwarming scene in a movie, it's the amygdala that takes the lead. It processes the information and helps us respond appropriately, be it with fear, happiness, or any other emotion. Now, how does our body respond during these emotional moments? It's here that hormones enter the picture. Adrenaline, often known as the fight or flight hormone, is released when we experience intense emotions like fear or excitement. This hormone prepares our body to react quickly, increasing our heart rate and sharpening our senses. Similarly, cortisol, often referred to as the stress hormone, is released in response to fear or stress. It helps to maintain fluid balance and blood pressure, while also suppressing the immune system. So you see, emotions aren't just feelings. They are complex responses that involve various parts of our body and mind, each playing a crucial role in how we perceive and interact with the world around us. So, emotions aren't just feelings. They are complex responses that involve various parts of our body and mind. Now that we have a basic understanding of the processes behind thoughts and emotions, let's take a moment to recap. Our thoughts, those silent conversations we have with ourselves, are the product of complex neural networks firing away in our brains. They shape our reality, influence our decisions, and define our personalities. Moving on to emotions, these are evolutionary responses, shaped over millions of years, deeply ingrained in our biology. They drive us, guide us, and sometimes confuse us. Emotions are not just feelings, they are signals, telling us about our environment and ourselves. While these processes are complex, they are not beyond comprehension. Understanding them is not merely an exercise in intellectual curiosity. It's a step towards better mental health, towards self-awareness and self-improvement. So, the next time you feel a certain way or have a particular thought, remember the intricate science that's making it all possible.